Good day everyone! So for today's video, tuturuan kita kung paano mag-register sa LTO LTMIS portal para sa pag-renew ng iyong driver's license or para makakuha ka ng driver's license. Ito ang una mong gawin. So i-type ang LTO portal login. So lalabas itong LTMIS online portal. So i-click mo yan. Pagkatapos mo i-click yan, so ito ang lalabas. LTMIS portal. So i-click mo yang register now. So may terms of agreement dyan. Basahin mo yan or scroll down. Then check, yes, I accept. Check mo yan. Pagkatapos, copy the code below. So, copy. After that, click mo yung next on the right side. Click next. Then, click itong enroll as an individual. Scroll down. Then, may tanong dyan, do you have a Philippine driver's or conductor's license? So, if mayroon na, click yes. Kung wala pa, click no. Then, after that, click next. Complete all applicable fields. So, ilagay mo ang iyong license number dyan, the expiration date or expiry date of your driver's license and the serial number. So, the serial number of your driver's license, nandyan yan sa likod ng iyong driver's license. So, kung okay na, i-click mo itong next. So, ilagay mo ang iyong last name, then your first name, then middle name, pwede wala na, at then date of birth or your birthday and gender. So, mother's middle name, last name, first name of your mother. Then after that, okay na, so click next. So proceed to contact information, your email address, then confirm email address. So dapat active na email address ang iyong ilagay dito. Then your number. At click create account. So you are successfully registered. Please click the link send to your emails. Click OK. Pagkatapos, ito na ang link. Click mo itong link. Pag hindi yan gagana, so dito sa baba, merong link dito. Pwede mo rin yang i-click pag hindi gagana yung word na link sa taas. Ito ang lalabas. Please set your new password using the following guidelines. So, basahin mo ang guidelines in creating your password. So, dapat mag-match yung dalawa na yan. Then, okay na, set password for login. You need to remember your password. So, automatic na nakalagay ang yung client ID number. Then, ilagay mo yung password na yung ginawa while ago. Then after that, sign in. Okay, so meron ka na account sa LTMIS portal. Pwede ka nang makapag-renew ng iyong driver's license at kukuha ng CDE exam dito. Okay, God bless everyone.